Hey lovelies, today's video is all about how I achieve this sort of old Hollywood style wave in my hair. As most of you would know by now, I'm actually getting married this November, which is crazy, and I'm doing my own hair and makeup. So I've been practicing my curls because I didn't want to have straight hair on my special day, and I don't wear my hair up, so curls it was. And I started off with doing like loose tousled curls, which look really pretty, but I just think having these sort of Hollywood glam is just like even prettier. I don't know, I'm obsessed with how they turned out, and I'm a little bit shook at myself that I can actually do them. They're surprisingly easier than what you may think. They're just a little bit time consuming because obviously you've got to pay attention when you're curling your hair so you can get the right shape and the right style curl. So without further ado, I'm just going to jump straight into the video and I'll explain to you guys how I do it, my technique and all the products I use. And yeah, so hopefully it's helpful. And you know, if you've got your prom, your grad, your deb, or maybe you're just looking for some hairstyles to do yourself for like nights out and stuff, this might be something that interests you. So without further ado, let's jump straight on into the hair tutorial. So I like to start off with freshly clean hair, so I'm going to jump in the shower and wash my hair with the OLAPLEX shampoo and conditioner. The reason my shampoo is purple is because I also add the FANOLA No Yellow shampoo to mine. This just helps to keep those yellow brassy tones at bay in my bleach blonde hair. And I also use these microfiber hair towels as well. They're incredible. They really help to soak up all the excess water in your hair. So once I've washed it, I'm just going to give it a good brush out, and I'm going to use the OLAPLEX smoothening treatment. I use a fair bit of this. I don't know if this is too much or not, but I really like how it makes my hair feel. So I run it all through the ends and also around my part. I feel like it really helps with flyaways as well when I use this. So I'm just going to pop that all in and brush it through as well. And then I'm going to let my hair air dry for a bit while I do my full face of makeup. So now you see me with full glam. Oh girl, I really love this eyeshadow. But next up, I'm going to dry my hair. So although it's been air drying for some time, it's still quite damp at the roots. So I'm just going to take my SASSOON hairdryer, which is an incredible hairdryer. I've actually owned this for years now, and it's such a good hairdryer. So I'm just going to take it and my paddle brush, and I'm just going to simply brush through my hair. But when I blow dry, I always make sure I'm pointing my hairdryer downwards. I find this just helps to lay as many of my flyaways flat as possible. If I blow dry any other direction, they're going to stand up on their end and it looks terrible. And I don't personally love using hairspray or any other styling related products. So I try to blow dry my hair down nice and flat and straight with my big little paddle brush. So now it's time to curl our hair. So I don't use a fancy curling wand or anything like that. This one is from a brand called Muck, MUK, which I actually got from Priceline several years ago. It wasn't expensive. It was like 40 Australian dollars. I pop it on the second highest temperature, which I believe is 170 degrees. I find that my hair is quite fine, but I've got a lot of it, so I don't like to go on the hottest temperature because I don't want to like sear my hair off. So what I like to do is section my hair off into as many little sections as possible, and I like to curl over the barrel for this particular hairstyle. So I divide obviously my hair to two sides of my face. So I split it down the back, which you can't obviously see in this video, but on the left side I curl it over the barrel towards my face, and on the right side I curl it over the barrel towards my face. I hope that makes sense, but I'm going to include a bunch of clips of me doing it so you can see. And I also burn my finger here, which honestly, I have a glove. I don't know why I ever bother starting to curl my hair without it, because I always burn myself. If it's not my finger, it's my neck or it's the top of my ears. So just be really careful when you're doing this not to singe the top of your ears or your finger, and wear the freaking glove, because the glove actually makes life a lot easier as well, because you can actually hold on to the barrel without burning your finger. So if you've got sort of like tethery ends of hair like I do, you can actually press your hand up against the barrel so that you can hold it in place for longer. So as you guys can see, the curls are kind of like ringlety, and I don't pin them or anything because my hair does hold a curl quite well, and we're going to brush them out anyway to get that wave effect. So I'm just going to keep on doing a few curls. I made sure to include plenty of them so you can actually really see me doing it. I feel like the sections are probably about 1 to 2 centimeters wide, so I don't do them too thick, but I don't do them too thin either. And I really like to make sure that I either comb through the section of hair or run it flat with my fingers before I wrap it around the barrel. And I also like to make sure that when I'm wrapping around the barrel that I'm keeping the hair nice and flat to the barrel. I find this just helps to really smoothen out the hair. Like as you can see, those curls are super smooth, and I think that's from actually keeping the hair nice and flat on the barrel. If you let the hair sort of twist as you're twisting around the barrel, it kind of disturbs the curl, like it doesn't make a really nice ringlet. So just keep that in mind as you guys are doing your curls, and like I said, try not to burn yourself. So now they're all done, I just take a little comb like this, which I got from the supermarket. I don't think it was expensive at all. And I just comb through the curls really gently, nothing too vigorous or crazy. Brushing through the curls is going to help them fall ever so slightly. They will continue to drop throughout the night, but if you're nice and gentle, they won't drop too much. And I just sort of start playing with my hair with my fingers just to see where it's sitting, because sometimes I find I need to either go back in with a curling wand or my hair straightener. I might need to fix up some little flyaways or adjust a curl. So that's pretty much what I'm doing right now. I'm just running the actual curling wand over some bits that I need to lay a little bit flatter, or some flyaways that I have there. Because like I said before, I really don't like using much hairspray. So I just go over with the actual curling wand barrel, and it helps to lay them nice and flat. And then after I've done that, I'm just going to use my paddle brush ever so gently over the curls just to really fluff them up. If you would rather a more structured curl, you can skip this step, but I just find the paddle brush fluffs up that volume in my hair a little bit more. So I'm just going to zhuzh it through, and I just feel like with this type of hairstyle, pulling the side bit back with a hair clip is stunning. It really like showcases your makeup. So if you've got a full face of makeup on, like a full glam, I feel like this just really like frames your face so beautifully. Like I'm actually obsessed. It looks so nice. I cannot wait for my wedding. So I literally use like the tiniest bit of hairspray just around the front of my hair and also my part, and it's all done. I love this type of hairstyle because you really don't have to use a whole heap of products for it to like stay beautiful all night long. These curls will actually last in my hair until I wash my hair again. It's crazy. So there you have it, guys. That is the finished hair. I feel like I probably need to pin this little bit down. Like if it was my actual wedding day, I would probably pin this down for like an hour just to flatten that middle wave out a bit. Because my hair's layered, it definitely like sits a little bit puffier than what I would like love. So I would probably just leave that for another hour and it will be fine. Over the course of the evening though, my hair will drop. It does tend to hold curls pretty well, but it will definitely drop throughout the night. And I think having the clip to the side just like keeps it off your face so beautifully, like really nicely for photos, especially if you're going to have like really nice glam makeup. You want to show off your makeup, and like if you're wearing pretty earrings and stuff. So I really like having the side pulled like back like that, but you could definitely just have it behind your ear if you don't want to wear an actual clip. I think for me, I'm going to wear an actual pin in my hair, not like a big chunky clip. It'll be like a silver diamante little hair clip, like a thin one, sort of like a bobby pin size. So it won't be like crazy in your face like this clip, but this clip really just holds the hair down nicely, so that's why I'm using it for the video, just to show you guys. But yeah, that's the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and you found it helpful. If you did, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments section if it was helpful or not, and if you're going to try this on your hair. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. I'll be talking to you guys in the comments section. I need some more hairspray. And in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.